Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video, I am going to do a mukbang with hubby. Today's video, we're eating Wingstop. And you can tell them the flavor we're eating today.
We have some Louisiana rub. We have some original hot, as well as hickory smoked barbecue. Some French fries.
We have French fries and also
veggies.
some veggies. We asked for the French fries to be well done, but it's not well done. I'm gonna ignore that. I'm so excited to eat because I'm hungry. I haven't been all hungry.
I'm starving. Absolutely starving.
The ketchup.
Right here.
Oh. We haven't done a mukbang in a minute, so we're back. I know a lot of you guys did ask for me and my husband to come back on to do a mukbang for you guys. And we're back here doing a mukbang because, you know, you guys like it. Which one is that one? Oh.
Louisiana rub.
Yeah, that's my favorite now. I used to like, which one is that one?
Hot. The
Oh,
original
okay.
hot.
I used to like buffalo one sauce, but now I switch. That's my favorite one now. I'm eating fries. I don't know why.
I haven't tried any other flavors at Wingstop yet.
What do you
They got a lot of flavors, like lemon pepper.
You never tried that one?
I never tried lemon pepper. I never tried any of the other flavors. I need to try.
They have new flavors or other flavors?
They have a lot of flavors. They have the Korean spice. And they have a bunch of flavors.
Do you guys like flat or this one? The drum? Is that a drumstick?
Mm-hmm.
Do you guys like that or the flat? I like flat. I know a lot of people said the flats are soggy because I've heard people say I like flats better than these. But good. It's really good. It tastes delicious.
I'm the one who got you eating Louisiana.
Yeah.
You never used to like it. You never even cared for it.
Yeah, I don't know why, I just stick with the same thing I usually get is buffalo hot sauce. I taste this and I like it. So what we're going to talk about today, besides how we like chicken, we gotta look at the camera.
20,000 subscribers.
Oh yeah.
Almost there.
We're almost at 20K, you guys. Almost there. Hopefully by 2 days from now, we should hit 20K. I know you guys probably excited because the giveaway is coming. I'm super duper excited about that. And we're thinking about doing more different like videos, like mukbang and stuff like that. Because I get a lot of requests on Instagram to do mukbang. Now that girl told me, I would love to see you do more mukbang videos on Instagram, so. I love watching mukbang videos. I really do too, right? And it's so much more easy. It's easier, I guess. And that's another way for you guys to connect with us because we don't really show what we do like that. Sometimes we can sit down and talk, basically tell you guys what's been happening, what's going on and stuff. Like
the new TV show.
Guys, we're going to be on TV. Not we. I I'm going to be on TV, you guys.
That was very vague.
I'm excited. I'm trying not to be like, oh my God, I'm gonna be on TV, but I'm really excited. I've been excited. It's not like something I just knew about. Like, I've been knew about it. I've been trying to keep it a secret from you guys because I couldn't say anything yet. But I'm still excited. It's not like I just knew it and act like, oh, I'm gonna be on TV. I've been knew about it. I'm still excited. What do you guys think? Did you ever think I was gonna be on TV?
No.
Wow. Okay, so you want to give them more details?
To be continued.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we're not gonna talk about it?
Nope. Not yet.
Okay. Just know we're going to be on TV. Island Vibe Cooking is going to be here on TV. So I guess that's all you want to share for today. And the rest, maybe in a different video. Not maybe, definitely in a different video. I will tell you guys more details. You ate more than me.
You playing around
Because I'm
with
talking.
French fries. You're not hungry.
You ate more than me. I don't like that. Okay.
You're not hungry.
I am. I'm not like starving, but I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
Mm-mm.
Playing them games, man. I'm trying to eat.
I see. Ouch. Chicken is good. That's why I only eat that one. I'm gonna try the hot one in a minute. But yes, you guys, we're going to be on TV. And it's really exciting. Very, very exciting. I never thought one day I was going to be on TV, guys. I was just doing my little cooking videos. Somebody noticed. I don't know. You don't know who exactly is watching you. You just, you know, I was never thought, oh, let me do it that way because I don't know. You just think I was, I don't know. Island Vibe videos are very interesting and they think, oh, maybe if you're interested, you know, we'll try to get you on TV. And I was very interested. The AC just went on. Hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. She's just sitting there eating. Minding his own business. So I'm gonna try the hot one. Hopefully. You don't have any flour.
What about the barbecue?
I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try the hot one. The good thing about Wingstop, you guys, if you never ate at Wingstop before, they make it fresh. They fry it fresh, so you have to wait basically 30, 45 minutes.
15 minutes.
15? Yeah, they fry it fresh. They don't like make it in like that place. What that place is called? The one we went to.
Buffalo
Wild Wings. Yeah, they make it and they just let it sit there under the hot lamps. It wasn't good. And we never went back because it wasn't good. These wings, when you get them, they're fresh, they're tasty.
Burning your mouth out. You can't even eat it. It's too hot.
Yeah.
I hate that.
Fresh. That's why a lot of people like it because who
like,
doesn't like fresh food?
I don't like it's too fresh when you're hungry. You can't even eat
Too fresh? There's no such thing.
Yeah, when it's burning your mouth while you're trying to eat it.
There's no such thing.
Okay.
If it was cold, you would have said it's cold. Now you're telling me it's too
It gotta be
fresh.
hot, but it can't be too hot.
Well, that's your problem because there's nothing they can do about it. They make it fresh for you.
I'm gonna put some ice on it.
You put ice in it. Oh boy, I can't eat wings with this long nails. Yeah, I love their chicken. Fresh food is always something the customer is looking for. So. That was good. I don't know. It's not even. I'm telling you, it's not even that hot. It's like a little hot. Let me try that one. This one's barbecue. This probably tastes better. That one's better. It's hot too. And we have to drive home with the food. It's still hot. Go to Wingstop, get you guys some wings. I love wings. Like, I'll eat wings any day. And then I said, "You hungry? You want to buy something? What you want?" Wingstop. You want Publix chicken? No, Wingstop. But there's a new restaurant that I want to try that just opened near us. He ate there before. I never ate there. You done?
I don't know.
If you're done, you're done. I don't know. What is the name of the restaurant?
Zaxby's.
He doesn't talk much. You just sitting there looking at me talking. You gotta interact with the people.
Shut up.
What are you talking about? Anywho, I wanna try their chicken fingers. I heard they are really good. If you have one in your state, let me know down below. Because that's my first time heard of it. I'm so serious, and that's my first time. Well, I haven't eaten there yet. We were supposed to eat there today. He changed his mind.
I changed my mind.
Yes, you did. What time they close?
Nobody changed their mind.
I think I'm gonna get one more of this. Remember, I didn't even eat that much. I like these ones because they're so crispy. I guess that's why I like it. Crispy.
It's a dry rub.
Yeah, I feel like
It's
guess
not gonna
that's
have
why.
all that moisture.
I just said that's why I guess that's why I like it. It's real crispy.
But sometimes you buy it, don't put enough seasoning on it.
This one has plenty.
Well, they did a good job today.
Plenty seasoning. Good.
I'm full.
You full? I'm not full.
Stuff. Oh, man.
Is it recording?
How do
Is it recording?
Anyways, I'm stuffed. I'm so full.
See, I haven't eaten that.
Eat your nasty veggies.
I don't mind eating them. Sorry about
They're
it.
gross. Let me get your juice. There's the ingredient.
Look at how big. That's not so big.
That was good.
You're looking at your shirt. Why?
You're going dirty. I want no nasty ass carrot.
It's good for you. It's bad.
Something like you're breaking your teeth.
Stop it. Just in case.
Sound like an ASMR video.
They can't even hear it. Too far away. Why is the ranch so watery?
Maybe they put water in it.
No, they didn't.
Never know.
I don't know what kind of ranch is that. But it is good.
It's a water range. I swear you about to break your teeth. Cork, cork,
No,
cork,
it's the
cork.
sound it made. That's not that hard.
He's struggling to bite into it. I could barely break it apart with my hands. Ugh.
Please don't. I'm gonna eat it. You're listening.
Ugh.
Stop it.
Vegetables, gross. Ugh.
There's nothing. Be quiet, please.
It tastes nasty. Ew.
It's carrots.
I don't like carrots. Fucking nasty.
What do you like? What type of vegetable you like?
Chicken.
None. That's not a vegetable.
Chicken is a vegetable.
Okay. You can find one with that one. I don't really like them. I can find people. Why are you drinking my juice?
Because I have alcohol in mines.
Go get
You got a
more.
problem? I don't feel like getting up. I'm full. Tell me it's too big.
You gonna sleep here?
Thinking about it. And I'm just watching you eat.
I
'Cause
see.
I'm done. I done ate all I can handle. And I am stuck. I'm gonna sleep good tonight.
So you guys-
Belly.
Wait for the 20K. More detail. For more detail on the
20K giveaway.
No, that too, but wait for the for the TV.
This is TV news.
Yeah, because he doesn't want to share too much yet on it.
Of course not.
I'm full too. I didn't eat that much, but
I ate a lot.
I guess that's
I
it.
ate most of the food. I feel like a
You
fat
stuck.
boy.
That is it for the video, I guess.
Yeah, that's it. To the next one. On the road to 20K.
20K. Be sure you subscribe if you're new. Like the video. Comment down below. And also, I have another video coming for you guys very soon. So be sure you tune on your post notification because you're gonna miss it. If you no, I'm rumbling.
I don't know.
I'm just rumbling.
It's called rambling, not rumbling. What is rumbling?
I'm rambling right now. Okay.
I'm rumbling. Your tummy rumbling? You just ate. Yeah. About to poke my eye out. So
Sorry.
true. Yeah.
Like the video. Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. And what do you gotta say?
See you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching me stuff my face and fill in my belly. And
I don't think they
peace
need to
out.
hear all that. Peace out.
But that's exactly what it was.
Come back soon because we'll have another video, very entertaining video for you guys. So love you guys.
Deuces.
Bye.